Hello guys, in today's video, I will teach you that how can we extract business leads from UK by using Yellow Pages Spider software. Open Yellow Pages Spider software and select UK website. When the page is loaded, just click in the first box and enter the business name which data you want to extract. Now enter the target city on the other box, and select the search button. When the data is loaded, click on the button, Get Data. The data starts collecting in rows and columns. When the extraction of the data is done, just click on the Stop button. And then click on Export Data to get the data in the Excel sheet. So guys, hope you understand the video completely. Thanks for watching the video.